I see the National People's Party, the NPP, as not just as a political party, but as an idea. An idea which was conceived by our late leader, Shri P.A. Sangma, my late father, who felt strongly that the people of the Northeast and tribals in general, despite the diversity, we share so many similarities in terms of our physical appearances, our ancestry, our culture, our cuisines, our dressing styles, etc. And that the only way to really bring everyone together was to have a common political platform to express and give shape to our hopes and aspirations, to have a voice so strong that the rest of India would sit up and listen.
This is a party as vision by the grand old man of Meghalaya, late Shri P.A. Sangma. This is a party which stands for the entire Northeast, its people, its region, its development.
I would like to clarify today, we are selfish for the interest of the state of Meghalaya. My dearest friends, remember one thing, our blood, our heart and soul is for the people of Meghalaya. Nga isnay ki perlok ki balong minister menta. Namar kilong tangkum ki manager. Ladaw ong kabali i kabayong lok biang bet. Da kabakhiya mensem ngan ong yapi. Na kadagadaw kaprelong yangi. Bangi hapan mino ban yo iya ka weipat ka parti hapok ke jing yalam uba Konrad Sangma ngi idon ke jing kremen
Sipau snam haka parti rulum ngayui tang ke jing yatan telai uwei ya uwei pat Nadu arah jar sipau hakicing yalam chong doktor mukul kum uchip minister ngai kahiar kayo kokot hakani ka state ke jongi kacing sensadon bor kombong imas ngawha ngiui ba omdei sho tang chief minister chong ka state hanrei udai chief minister chong
nakan niau tu lagi state ngan ong yipi na janti ang indra beron niau if not 7-6 confirm. If not 7 we'll bring 6, that is 100% confirm.
I'm very upset and very sad at what has happened in the past few years to this great state of ours. The way the ruling side, the way the chief minister has been working, I think has destroyed the dreams of our forefathers. And that is the reason why you have found so many people today leaving the Congress and coming and joining the National People's Party.